Can you imagine a workplace where simple tasks can be handled in just a second with just a click of a button, which allows employees more time to be creative and more productive and accomplish more? This isn't some crazy dream scenario. This is actually the reality that AI can bring into the workplace. I'm sure many of you have either heard about it or know what it is, but AI stands for artificial intelligence, which is basically just computer systems that are designed to complete simple tasks for you. And so today I'm going to be sharing how that AI in the workplace can benefit your workplace by doing repetitive tasks, enhancing decision making, and increasing innovation. So first, let's discuss how AI can take over those simple repetitive tasks. According to BBC News, AI can act as a personal assistant. First, all you have to do is give it a prompt, and then it will respond with a solution. And based on like how you want it, like a workplace environment, you could ask it to give you the response like in a business tone so that you can use it, and then it'll give you the answers and information you need. It can summarize large amounts of text while you're workplace. You can scan documents, just copy and paste it in there. It saves you a lot of time reading it, and it can either summarize it for you, give you like the most important parts of it that you need to know, and you can just like search for what you're really wanting to find out of those documents, not having to read through all the stuff you don't need. And then according to Microsoft, you can also use AI to sort through your emails, since like sorting through your emails takes a lot of time and it's not necessarily working on your business, and it saves time. You can sort through all the like junk emails, find the emails you really need, and find like the important stuff from like your business partners or whatever. And then it also helps with formatting. Say you have meetings or presentations, you can use it to give you a format, and then you plug in your own business's information after that. And one of the most important things it does is reduces human errors. You could have possibly the group of like the most smartest people, but there's always room for simple human errors. Say like they're not organized and they wrote down something wrong, misread like a email or something. It'll reduce those human errors. And a company that already like has examples that have used it is Amazon, and they use it to improve getting goods from place to place by using real-time tracking and like the quickest route, which is all ran through AI. And now that your repetitive tasks have been completed, let's talk about how AI can enhance your decision making. You can ask AI almost any question. You can put in different scenarios, like say you have to make a decision. It'll give you the pros and cons of each one. It'll help you make decisions. It can analyze data sets and provide insights that you may not have noticed for like markets or products. It can direct certain products to that market audience. So say one product you have is selling really well with that audience, you can keep targeting to them, or vice versa. If you're not selling a product to a certain audience, you can flip the script and try to sell it and create individualized markets. And then according to Microsoft, AI helps with decision making in inventory management, marketing strategies, and more. And an example of a company that already uses it is Netflix. They use like viewer preferences, so like based on like what you've watched or what you like look up, then it will like create like a recommended of what it thinks you'd like. And then now that we've gone over how it enhances decision making, let's talk about how it increases innovation. You can ask any AI for like new ideas or products or services. Even if you have your own, you can ask to add like a twist on it to make your business different, make it better, just so that like you can sell to more people. It can forecast product demand, so based on like where you're sitting at, if you're starting your business, like you can tell, it'll see the sales, and then you can like ask it to like look at your sales and like predict it in a couple months based on like what it thinks is going to happen to the market. So like you can evaluate your company, see if you want to have any like investors or anything like that. And then it can also predict potential risks. So say on the opposite side, you're losing money. It can predict like if you're going to go like bankrupt, or like if you needed to like scan legal documents and like find any like legal things that would be like bad for your business. It can recommend product features, so like if you want to add something to your product. And then over time, as you use AI, it will become like personalized to you. So if you're using it for just business and like business tones, then it will keep doing stuff that like helps your business and like all in a business tone. And then a great example of like a company that uses it for innovation is constantly like upgrading their different AIs is Google. Like one of the first things they started off with was Google Translate, which I feel like many people don't see as an AI, but it goes to all the other databases, like uses like, it has like all different languages that will like compare them. And like even now they have like image recognition, which like you can either type in a text and it will create you an image, or if you like upload an image, it can like scan it. So like say in the background, it can like tell like where you are. Sometimes it will like scan the face and like see who's in it. So as we reflect on these benefits, let's consider a future with AI. I mean, in summary, AI isn't just a toy, it's a practical tool that can be used in the workplace to help benefit like your overall, like pretty much just everything, by completing repetitive tasks, enhancing decision making, and increasing that innovation. AI can help businesses operate more efficiently and creatively, and pretty soon in the future, it's going to become a necessity to stay ahead and compete in the current markets. So I say let's welcome AI as a partner to our future workplaces.